1993 Harley-Davidson Wide Glide here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 80 cubic inch engine, 5-speed manual transmission. We do have some extras on this one, as you can see. Saddlebags in the rear, lots of chrome, forward controls, engine guard, windscreen. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll check out all the still pics of this bike. If you're watching this video on YouTube, just click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Get a good look at the spoked wheel up front. More chrome on this side. Air intake. Get a look at the condition of the paint. Miles on this one, I believe, right at 59,668. See that? And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the chrome. We'll start it up, let you hear it run also. And once again, those still pics, uniqueclassiccars.com. Let's fire this one up. Make sure we're in neutral here. Good. Did have it run just a little bit ago. It's a little bit cold-blooded, but we should be fine. Again, 1993 Harley-Davidson Wide Glide. There you go, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out all those still pics. Number to call, 507-386-1726. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.